101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. We'll back to our conversation tonight. Happy is you. Okay, we'll continue our conversation. We'll next the question to Olivia. Yeah, do you feel happy every day?
In my opinion, yeah, maybe you can say yes, but every day I definitely feel happy, but not one full day. Like in the morning, I feel happy, but at the night, I feel sad. Like I'm mood swing.
Yes.
Like sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad, sometimes either I'm angry, and yeah, like that. So I cannot predict it. Like yes, I think.
Oh, you cannot predict your own emotions.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Olivia. So you don't feel happy every day, but it doesn't mean that don't feel happy every day isn't a good thing because yeah, we have another emotions to express. Okay, next, Dava. Yeah, do you feel happy every day?
Oh, yeah, for me, yeah, depends on my. If I wake up good, my mood always be happy. Uh, Sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I got a random mood.
Oh, you
I don't know why.
It's just kind of similar to girls, yeah, but
Similar?
yeah.
No.
The stereotype. It's just the stereotype.
No.
I don't mean it in personal. Oh, yeah. You just got your you just hit puberty. Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah.
If I wake up in a good mood, my daily activity will going well.
Oh.
If I got a bad mood, yeah, if in a Sunday I feel gloomy.
Oh yes.
I mean, in the morning I feel gloomy. In the afternoon, it's same mood.
Oh.
But sometimes my friends try to cover my mood. I don't know. Cheering me up. But yeah, it's just a short time.
Yes.
If I gathering with my friends,
You feel happy.
My feeling is better than before. But if I back to home, yeah.
Oh, your
Back
bad
again.
mood
Yeah,
will be back
yeah.
again. Oh,
It
okay.
depends on my wake up.
Oh, it depends on your wake up. Oh, sometimes people got bad mood every morning because maybe they have some problems at night, so they sleep and then they think about their problems again in the morning, so their bad mood come back again.
Yeah.
Sometimes, yeah. Oh, so sometimes you feel like you have some problems
Problem.
at night, and then you feel gloomy in morning.
But I try to cover it.
Oh, you try to cover it, yeah. You don't want to express your bad mood, yeah. Okay.
I prefer to silence.
Oh, okay, thank you, Dava. Okay, next, Kak Yusril. Yeah. How do you feel happy every day?
Yeah, I'm not feel happy. I like, yeah. Let's say yes. No. Let's say no. Sorry. What the question?
Yeah. Do you feel happy every day?
No, I don't.
Oh.
Because there was a time like I make a mistake. It's a very big mistake. I don't have to say that the mistake.
Yes. You don't have to mention
yeah,
it
that's
though.
the secret privacy. I ever did a mistake, a big mistake, and in that time, as I remember, I never feel happy since for about like a month or more.
Wow.
Because of like I feel depression in the time. Like in my mind, like how if I suicide.
Oh, what if
No.
what if you do suicide?
Do suicide. yeah, because that's very big mistake that I ever did, and I hope I will not face that mistake again. And yeah, so I can conclude that there's a time that I never feel happy in a day
Yeah.
and more. Yeah. So the answer is no, I don't.
Oh, but do you feel better right now?
Yeah, right now I feel better
Alhamdulillah.
because
Okay.
I'm in BBC.
Oh my God! So your happiness is from BPEC.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah,
So
but
you guys have to.
yeah, you
join
have to
us.
join BPEC, guys, because yeah, as you know that Kak Yusril's being happy because of BPEC. So make sure that you also feel happy by joining BPEC.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
That's right.
Okay, next to who's again? Kak Wahid. Yeah. Do you feel happy every day? Do you feel happy tonight?
Yeah, alhamdulillah. Yeah, I feel happy. Yeah,
Ah.
but we know. Yeah, every people want to be want to feel happy every day. But yeah, it's not in our reality. But it's just like our expectation. Yeah. I think yeah, if we face to face with this like the disturbation or disturbance about the like maybe conflict in our environment, such as like the people who dislike ourselves. Yeah, we just go forward. Yeah, we just go forward. Yeah, we just like get together. Yeah, we just give them like the pardon. Yeah, give the sorry for them, and yeah,
Yes.
and then yeah, we know what we feel. Yeah, we don't know what our gut. Yeah, we know our gut know what is the best, the happy for ourselves.
Yeah, God knows the best, yeah, for
Yeah.
yourself, yeah. So you feel grateful, yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, next we will still talk about happy is you, and yeah, talking about happy is you. Do you guys feel happy tonight? It seems you're happy tonight, yeah. Yeah.
To keep moving forward.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So maybe yeah, you can explain to smart listeners, maybe like give them advice what kind of activities to make them happy, or maybe like cheer them up. Yeah, so maybe Kak Yusril. Yeah. Yeah, Kak Yusril.
Sorry.
So, like maybe you can give advice to all of us, to smart listeners, for being happy maybe every day, or what kind of ways you recommend to us
Mm.
to do to make us feel happy.
Yeah. Uh, I believe that you guys recognize that you have a way to be happy. You have your own way to be happy. And actually, when I was in elementary school and junior high school, I was an ambitious person. When I got first rank in the class, I got like
Oh,
depression.
you're an ambitious person.
Yeah, ambitious,
yeah.
very ambitious, because it's the pressure of my parents as well.
So do I.
And-
So do I.
And now I realize that because my happiness is from outside, like not from myself, that drives me to be depression. And yeah, my suggestion is, yeah, it's my suggestion. If you want to do it or not, it's depend on you. Like you have to put yourself like how to say menanam? Like you have to put your happiness based on yourself, not based on other people. Because when you put yourself based on yourself, as I said before, that will always drive you to be happy.
Wow.
Yeah, and it will not disappoint you.
Wow, such a nice to hear. Nice to hear, yeah. Okay, next. Yeah, Dava, maybe. Can you give the smart listeners advice, or maybe recommend what kind of activity you recommend to the smart listeners to do, or to all of us as well?
For me, advice. I think for the teenagers now.
Yes, for the teenagers. Oh, so we are not teenagers anymore.
I don't know.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, depends on you, yeah, guys. So if you need a partner, yeah, maybe you can find
Oh, find happiness
yeah,
from a
find-
partner,
yeah,
from a person.
From a partner, you can find happiness from your partner. It different like have one or two friend, or we can say best or partner, and commonly friends. It will give you a different opinion for your problems. You know, a partner will try to figure it out what is your problem, and then they will give you a best solution for you, while friends sometimes they only hear it. They never how to say.
They never judge you.
No, that's like give you a comment like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they, but yeah, it's different between partners and commonly friends.
Oh, yeah.
If you guys gloomy or have a problem, find a partners. I think that's all.
Oh, find a partner. Whoa, what kind of gender the partner is?
What?
Okay.
Depends on you guys.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, smart listeners, we have a short time, but yeah, we still have times to maybe listen to some vocabularies or idioms that related to our topic tonight, or maybe yeah, other topics maybe. Olivia, maybe can you please give us like vocabularies or idioms?
I think it's not idiom, but I just want to say, whatever you do, as long as it's positive and makes you feel comfortable, then do it as best you can. So, I want to say, happiness. We have to be more grateful. So when you're grateful, is everything gonna be like? Is everything beautiful?
Yes.
I think you really enjoy.
Yeah, you will have to enjoy every single day you have.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Next, maybe some of you have other vocabularies?
Okay,
Yes.
I have idioms maybe that you could use when you are when you feel certain things. First is like smiling ear to ear.
Yeah.
I'm supposed that all of you already hear that, smiling ear to ear.
Yes.
So in Indonesia it's like
Bright
senyum,
smile.
senyum dari telinga ke telinga.
Yeah.
If you translate that into Indo, but it's mean like you smiling so big. You smiling so big and you feel so happy at times. And the second one is like under the weathers. Under the weathers is if you translating it to Indonesia, it means like kamu di bawah cuaca, and you can, but its meaning in English is that you don't feel well, or
Oh.
someone doesn't feel well. So for example, like I think I'm under the weather today, so I'm not feeling well today, or like I think Yusuf doesn't. I think Yusuf is under the weather today, so it's just like that how to using it. So it's mean that people is sick or others doesn't fit or doesn't happy that day. Maybe just that.
Thank you, Kaichal. Okay, maybe some of you still have other vocabularies. Okay, Dafa.
Maybe like idiom
Yes.
on top of the world.
On top of the world.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of the
What
yeah.
what is the meaning?
Like if you guys have achievement, and then you will feeling on top of the world. For example, you guys have a first rank in the class, and then you say, I'm feeling on top of the world.
Oh, on top the world.
On top
Of the world. On top of the world. Oh. So what is the translation if in Indonesia?
Like memuncak gitu.
Di atas
ya.
dunia.
Di atas
Ya,
dunia.
di atas dunia, on top of the world.
Merasa bahagia sekali. Gitu.
Wow, you feel like happier.
I think
Okay.
that's all, only one.
Okay, is this some of you still have other vocabularies? Okay.
Okay, I think for idiom at one time, yeah, we say in Indonesia pada zaman dahulu.
Yeah.
Pada zaman dahulu, yeah. For example, yeah, at one time there is like the oldest English community in Makassar, namely BPEC Makassar.
Oh, one time, once upon a time,
Once
it's
upon a
like
time,
that, yeah.
and they're processing until now.
Oh, okay.
For the words, yeah, I think I have like the word is flee. Flee is melarikan diri. Flee.
Flee.
Flee. Flee.
Flee.
Flee.
FLEE. Oh, melarikan
It means
diri in
melarikan
Indonesia.
diri, yeah. We can, yeah, for example, yeah, I flee from the robbers. Saya melarikan diri dari pencuri begitu.
Oh, you flee from the
The robber.
from the
Robbers.
robbers. Oh, okay. Okay, some of you still have other vocabularies or idioms? Okay, maybe because we have limited time, everyone, but don't feel disappointed because we will back on next Tuesday. And yeah, talking about happy issue, there is a deep meaning of happy issue. So you have to find your own happiness. You cannot depend your happiness to other persons because the happiness is made from your own selves. So yeah, find your way, found your own way, maybe like healing or having a trip to other cities, or else maybe like eating like Ichal said, or maybe being productive like Yusril said, or even feel grateful every day so you don't even sometimes you can be sad or be angry, and every single day, of course we still have other emotions to express, but still you still have to be grateful, so you will happy in every single day. There will be always something that makes you happy on one time. Okay, so smart listeners, that's all for our English conversation tonight. So don't feel disappointed because we will still back on next Tuesday. So thank you for listening. Bye bye.